movements also. Let us see what are the effects of slow movement. The effect of slow movement can be seen in the form of formation of mountains and continents on the earth crust. This can be explained as follows. Students, you know the earth crust we learn in 8th standard. The earth crust is the upper layer of the earth and that is about 16 to 45 kilometers below the earth. The thickness of the crust is 16 to 45 kilometers approximately. Okay. This can be explained as follows. The effect of pressure and tension on that earth crust. So, whenever there will be the direction of wave movement will be waves moving towards each other by the pressure, that effect on the hard rocks, that faults are forming and folds are forming on the soft rocks. Okay, and just like this, because of that effect of the tension, waves moving away from each other and also faults forming and fault planes are forming on the soft rocks. Point A, mountain building movement means orogenic movements. Students, try this activity step by step. Let us see what is the activity. In activity 1, the strip was moved by placing hands on both ends, just like this. The work performed on the strip at that time is called compression. This work is called as compression. Pressure was given on the center of the strip from both ends. As a result, the strip moves and folds are formed. Similarly, due to pressure on the earth crust, the folds are generated. Okay, and as a result, fold mountains are formed. Let us see what are the fold mountains. Energy is transferred from the interior of earth. Because of this energy, waves and pressure working towards each other and in horizontal direction, the layer of the soft rocks form folds. Okay. If the pressure is very high, the large scale folds are formed. Their complexity increases. As a result, the surface of the earth gets uplifted and fold mountains are formed. For example, Himalayas, Aravallis, Rockies, Andes, Alps are the major fold mountain. Example of major fold mountains in the world. See here, image of the Himalaya. That is example of fold mountain. Students, you try this second activity. Let us see the second activity. What are the effects of tension on the earth crust? Okay, tension on the earth crust. See, in activity 2, tension is created when you pull both the end away from each other, just like this. Similarly, when movements occur in the opposite direction to each other, tension is generated and faults are formed in the earth crust. Let us see what are the block mountains. See, because of internal movements, horizontal waves moving away from each other are formed. This causes tension on the layers of rock. This leads to formation of fracture in the rocks. These are known as faults. Similarly, waves coming towards each other in hard rocks also form faults due to the compression. When a part of the earth crust is between two parallel faults is lifted, it looks like a block. See this figure 2.9. Such landform is known as block mountain. The hilltop of block mountain are flat. See, the hilltop are flat. In the early stages, they do not have any peaks. Their slopes are steep. For example, Black Forest Mountain in Europe, the Meghalaya Plateau of India. See, here is the picture of Meghalaya Plateau, India. That is a block mountain. Next activity, third activity. This is the activity to see the formation of the valleys. Take 3 notebooks of same size. Hold them on tightly on a table, keeping a distance 2 to 3 centimeter. Okay. Remove the 2 notebooks on each end away from the central one. Observe what happened. Draw the diagram emerging because of the notebook in your notebook. Suppose there are 3 notebook if you are placing and 1 notebook you take away. Okay, and just like this valley like structure will be formed there. Same, see that rift valleys are forming by this process when horizontal movement on the earth surface, horizontal movement on earth surface act in opposite direction. It causes tension on the rocks in the earth crust. When the tension increases, fracture develop in the rocks. This leads to formation of faults. Consequently, rock on both ends slide and continuity in the layers of rock is not found. Okay, so there is a discontinuity. Here is not having continuity. Okay, rift valley. Sometimes two fractures develop side by side in the earth crust. The land in between two fractures subsides. This subsides side deep part is called the rift valley. See this figure 2.10. Both the slopes are rift valley are steep, just like this steep. For example, the rift valley of Narmada.